Welcome back to WordWork. Today we're diving into the 100 most common English words. These are like the building blocks of English, making up 50% of what you'll read and write every single day. Let's jump in. The sun is shining. The weather is fine. Of. He is a co-worker of mine. He has a lot of experience. And. She and I are the same age. She looks happy and healthy. I am a painter. He is a baker. 2. I'm going to the park. Give the map to me. In. The cat is in the box. The box is in the house. Is. The sky is blue. It is a beautiful day. You. You are amazing. You are a great friend. That. What is that? That is an umbrella. It. It is springtime. It is raining today. He. He is my cousin. He likes ice cream. Was. She was hired last week. She was very happy. For. I waited for 5 hours. I'm going out for lunch. On. The icing is on the cake. The cake is on the counter. Are. The boys are good friends. They are in the same class. As. He was as cheerful as the sun. He acted as our guide. With. She went for a walk with him. She was happy with her gift. His. He is going to visit his family. His family is in the country. They. They are a big family. They have 4 children. I am learning new words. I am happy. At. I'll meet you at the cafe at lunchtime. Be. I'll be on vacation next week. The weather will be sunny. This. This is a plate. This plate is mine. Have. I have a new bag. I have to take care of it. From. I am from Canada. Where are you from? Drop it in the comment below. Or. You can have soup or salad. You can dine in or take out. One scarf is purple. The other is green. I'll wear the green one. Had. We had dinner at my house. The whole family had fun. By. They have a house by the lake. They traveled there by train. Word. This is a new word. I can say and spell this word. But. He's a great chef, but he doesn't like to cook at home. Not. He is not at home today. It is not his day off. What? What are you going to do? I have no idea what to do next. All. The eggs were all fresh. I used all of them. Were. The children were playing in the park. They were very excited. We had no money. We ran out of food. When did you buy those shoes? I bought them when I went to Spain. Your. Show us your hands. Your nails are beautiful. Can. Can we have games night tonight? We can play some chess. Said. Did you hear what he said? He said that he was tired. There. What is over there? A bird is over there. Use. I can use a computer. Can you use a computer? An. I need an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Each. Each mom received a rose for Mother's Day. They smiled at each other. Which? Which car do you prefer? Tell me which one to buy. She. She enjoys cooking. She served us a delicious lunch. Do. I know you can do it. Stay calm and do your best. How? How long was your trip? How long did you stay there? There. It is their house. We are their neighbors. If. You will get wet if it rains. I don't care if I get wet. Hey, word workers. We are halfway through the 100 words that are most used in daily life. I hope you're learning some new words and expanding your vocabulary. Hit the like button and share the video with friends so they can learn along with you. Now let's continue. Will. How soon will he be here? He will be here in half an hour. Up. The sun is up. We're going up the stairs. Other. This is my other sister. We love to hug each other. About. Let's talk about your plans for the weekend. How about some swimming? Out. Do you want to go out? Let's go out for dinner. Many. There are many books in the library, so there are many stories to explore. Then. We'll have dinner and then we'll watch a movie. Them. Have you seen them? I haven't seen them recently. These. Look at these shoes. These shoes are so strong. So. You look so worried. I missed the alarm, so I'll be late. Some. I did some chores yesterday. I need to get some rest. Her. She bought her own house. Her parents will visit soon. Would. I would love to go to Paris one day. Where would you like to visit? Make. We all make mistakes. You have to make a decision. Like. I like to travel. Do you like traveling? Him. Let me talk to him. I saw him at the bus station yesterday. Into. He went into the pool. He dived into the water. Time. Time flies when you're having fun. It's soon time for bed. Has. She has a love for plants. She has a lovely garden. Look. Look at that beautiful sunset. I can look at it all evening. 2. I have 2 cats. They're my 2 furry friends. More. She will have some more ice cream. but I will have some more fruits. Write. I love to write poems. She likes to write stories. Go. Let's go for a walk. I go for a walk every day. See. We had to see that movie again. You have to see it to believe it. Hey, word workers, can you believe we have already completed 75 of the 100 most frequently used words in daily life? Now let's move on to the last 25 words. Number. I live at 42 West Road. My phone number is 412-6925. No. This makes no sense. There is no furniture in the room. Way. I'm on my way to work. What is the best way to travel? Could. She could speak 4 languages. He could speak only French. People. There were many people on the train. Some people were standing. My. This is my hat. My hat is made from straw. Than. She is taller than her brother, but he is older than her. First. Last year was the first time I met her. We sat together in the first row. Water. We use a lot of water every day. We can't live without water. Been. I have been to Paris. Have you been to Canada? Call. I call my parents every week. They look forward to my call. Who? Who is your favorite singer? Who is that on stage? Oil. My car ran out of oil. I need to buy some engine oil. Sit. Please sit and wait. You can sit wherever you like. Now. How are you feeling now? I am feeling much better now. Find. I need to find a job. It's hard to find a job. Long. It has been a long day. I still have a long way to go. Down. Pull down the blinds. Turn down the radio. Day. The office is closed for the day. She works 8 hours a day. Did. She did her best to help him. I know she did her best. Get. When will you get a haircut? I will get one next week. Come. Do you know when he will come? He will come tomorrow evening. Made. The news made me happy. I made my decision. May. We may get some rain today. It may rain in the afternoon. Part. He has a part in the play. He is playing the part of the judge. So there you have it, word workers. The 100 essential words to help you read and write English. Subscribe to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. See you in the next video.